The because I can say the cemetery bia and a fiada. Mede akwasi insi Asem Yi Di Ka bre enie. Na so say come sister Sandy B your guys so they ahosepe ebre ye free sabre akwa say no ko be pounds ma adweno enum. Asem Yi Di Ka ene pesem still on big dream on Adom TV. Etiane yankomo etiawa ene so pass na kam wo bre pa pese ka kan bi no. Shimpa asome abese yankan bi e be ha adwen. Or see a cabinet misses in once and for all na asomdwe TV because boys adwa e okrom. What was the Minister for Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration? Honorable Samuel Kujeto abla kwa video na stand by okay. So Minister Bekasa, ne kasa ni nyina efa America for sure dey agu akwam se be ya Ghana akoka amanya ye be bra mo so ma America man mu. Ti Honorable Samuel Kujeto abla kwa de anti America for person mutu sa anamon.
The U.S. authorities have now formally brought to our attention, so it is no longer a leaked report. They informed us that 10 days ago they were informed by the White House of the plans to take an expanded view of the President Trump bans. The ban, according to U.S. officials, will affect countries not complying with some 12 items, a criteria that they have outlined. Those 12 items, as they have formally communicated to us, they are varying. They cut across a wide array of matters of concern to U.S. authorities, including terrorism, countries that fund terrorism, state-sponsored terrorism. It includes countries that have become havens for violent extremists to operate. It's on the list. Then they are also talking about countries not cooperating with the ongoing deportations that the Trump administration is carrying out. Then there are issues to do with overstays. So countries that have a high rate of overstays. Those who receive US visas for specific periods and abuse the immigration laws of the United States where they do not comply with the terms of their visa. So you have a 3-month visa, you are allowed to stay for 3 months or 6 months for your visa, but then you overstay. The U.S. officials have communicated to us that the challenge we face really relates to overstays, particularly with students, the students who we have been sending abroad. So students who go on government scholarship and also students who on their own apply.
Okay, so that's the Honorable Minister for Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration, Samuel Kujeto Ablakwa. Also, the Kasem no achiro baby a Asem people kese pa or how kese 1 year. A man for a free Ghana they she from memo kosa omukwa America akwa kosuande. Nenso omukwa emre de amo omuso mfantena America mfansuade no otena ema ne brosa. Enti obi won mu a eye undergrad eye mfinhia 9. Afi na kobo degree mfinhia 9. Okay, masters are between 1 to 2 years. Obu aman visa na no atena mu o makra. Sani ade ba kwa sa American pen for ekeka esieniti ama Ghana beka omanya ye bebrayen say yema America krombonum until so manka sabe sa left eye ban no. Now because the minister actually the focal point here students nti no ye no su kakra e wo Ghana edisuafo no e di emuni ehwese de simi e tie patuma me the write up no. Na ye nchire ahwefo adem nyama we my way so there we okay. So after 2024 Ghana additional for best 61,000 and applied to US embassy. Say omo per visa, yeah F1 visa. E dey call America akwa kosuade. Ewi a kire no emu 25,000 per na ye mo visa no. into 36,000 there omwenya. Now, utie honorable Samuel Kujeto ablakwa. Yesi Ghana disuafo ekọ America ko sua de no. Emu ahom chemu be se aduonu baako 21%. Ena overstay. 21% and overstay. It is over 2024 as a case study. Nipa 25,000 na ye more visa no. Emu 5,040 students and overstay ye. Per ni America for kratom bre honorable Sabokujeto Ablakwa the Foreign Affairs Ministry. Now, so upese uji America F1 visa ekosua dia. Eye $185 application fee. And it will be a service fee, service SEVIS, service fee. And here $350. It will be a person called America kosua dia bianom. You spend close to $535. Ewa America embassy ho. Now, if say additional for 36,000 and na afie twemu omo apply for F1 visa. Some person ko America kosua dia ni amo visa dia. Now if you multiply the 36,000 by the 535, it means America is making about $19.26 million. Where your students in Guadia, they made about $19.26 million US from additional for a Yamo visa and America. So person who for the entire additional for apply that 61,000 now. They made about $32 million from Ghana additional for Guadia. Additional for Quavism. Baby, you have no one and I'm no babecono. Shady way. 2024, you see a medicine for 25,000 visa. So, Mukosia, the Ghana edition for Mammy America for Omoakasa graphs, no. Well, America, never a blue one. Man, blue one, some about way so. Yes. Way from America Embassy in Ghana. So, US Embassy, Ghana. Record number of Ghanaian students studying in the United States 2023-2024 academic year. Medical Council said in 2024, they granted 25,000 Ghanaian students, as I say, Omuko American Kosunia. As a Shadi, Omuko American here. This American pen for the council 2024, Ghana. Out of the 25,000, Emu 9,364 penny school. American penny for say yema this for 25,000. Also person because you are but who could do America chrome one no emu 9,364 and is you there. The ake hu no machira kwan. Eti yanka say nye calculation simple. Minus 9,394. 94. 15,000 students oman ko school. Eti basa omun hiem wa fa ne se unam koti kwane na ada kwan so e na abaji tumi afiri ye nchen de awura ye manimu. Eti 15,000. So aside the 21,000, aside the 5,000 na omuye overstay no 15,000 kwa the school dan wansim. It is rescue near Pessia kind Ghana this young for 1 more. Ye wuni a kind. So same as over a year 2023 6,000. Yeah, that's 6,468. Now had yakasa so America for so is you. In America for so Ghana musu. So out of 2021, 2022, America for Ghana is 697. Now about 2022 to 2023. Oman rising by 107% to 1,444. The Ukrainians will say you, yes, you say, sir. The Ukrainians will say, sir. You were America this year for as of 2022-2023 academic mepe 2023-2024 there no amount. Now you were 1,444 US citizens. Yom to a memu Asian there. Mame, the last write up no. Now, we are person who America kusunya there this time. Be show faith. We were. So, what do F1 issuance trends tell us about the 2025-2026 academic year? 2022-2023 academic year from September to February. na 104,160 visas and we issue here. And about 2023, 2024, September to February, so about 103,261. And about 2024, 2025, so about 88,811. Two up so called 2026 there. And you'll be the catch now. Baby, I know from 104,000 to 88,000. 104,000 visas here issue here to student. In 2022 to 2020, about 88,811. Way from US Embassy. Timem Apono. Tisa when you bring us up your visa application and pass no arguing. Now, I had not some one. Whether I'm blue one. I had not some one. I then a year qua yempesi beba. Aden ye kwa yempesi beba. So aside America for ankasa zone fasodi omunsu enya edi free so Semdika at 2024 alone they made about 35 million US dollars from student visa application kwa 35 million US dollars from student anybody the list student visa kwa some na make you. We had number of visa applications for tourism program business ni adia for Ghana and Yadika. Where students in 35 million US dollars. But I'm still here the switch about 2 years so. Aden ye kwa yemba. Aden ye disunya for 25,000 kwa visa si ye kwa kusunya de ni ye beko nemu 15,000 omunko school no. America de energy home. DNC energy America. That be America. I wish Donald Trump will continue to be American president for the next be about 20 years. I be man penny for any better ho. I be man penny for any better ho. We Ghana and Kwade am the mouse and because me beam at the aqua sub-Saharan Africa near Africa near other parts of the world. They have close to about 1 million international students in America. Aden ye kwa mpese beba. Out of the 1 million, emu ebi before say chom. Before no Africa no uwi anu asate so aba West Africa. Yen make it the huge number. In a month for Eura America in the name of say kwa kosuande. Ba ye kwa yemba. Yen penny for something should click. Or say bi kasa chiremo. Or say bibi e kasa de chiremo. And now Azerbaijan, Ghana the sunya for Azerbaijan ye 5. 5 enum. Ba ku onya owie ye onya akwanso onya adwuma kwa atwera ma adwuma wie o. Yes home affairs o se di o atwere kata abere adwuma ne se o ma ne go back to Ghana. Na Azerbaijan ni wo ho no obeye se adwuma no. Nim ni obenya no sanfa ko Ghana. Owie on pese obeko adentia. Ti sebi ye so ne be gina na se ye kwan a yen kwan kekeo ye pese ye mpani fo twe wa adwen se bibi so se ewiase ne ba bia e pimpende kono e bedru mebo bia mie ne kwan mu nto sa ma wo ma wo eje koso tena ne ye MPP NDC MPP ne ye mpani fo ho di ne ye mpani fo no kwa na e ba be ye omno busua fo ko ne ba be ye ya menu mie ne be hunu amane o menu mie ne be hunu amane o etem so NDC na so party wo power na so penny be ya de be bo oman na entra onye din kasem ye party ni ntima ye din because sad na wo ye din aban se san be complain etene na won kan ne ye siesie e chiro Ghana de hia e wo America won pese om beba wo ye mehyew enya so apo oman no but the issue ni say eni da so no e wo henfa awra wosime wo me say adisuafo makwakwaje ntetie nimdie ni suahunu we komanfo anko akire mesad wewura unim say Ghana de ka e wa America close to about $4 million e scholarship nko aho such suafo bebre we nyina nya scholarship no de call you nti Ghana abo omo ka so mko penim de mfa mreye onye ne bi wo so otwa na ni hwe ne mamu an da so ni a etu aka America on pese eba etia kana o man na bo ne ho no ayekwa because eni da so ne wo mam so ba obenya adwuma ye no eni ho abanyuma mosi yemwa private sector ne so mane ngura ye nhye ni a single independent policy that one ma you say the Ghana policy to push the private sector aye political party manifesto driven agendas in MPP sim the agenda one day one factory and is in the 24-hour economy and obi anam ne baby but a single one driven Ghanaian agenda say be bo ma Ghanaian business that me drive no eni honom you see enka wo dan no na boku je to abla kwa eka eba 100 Ghana ade hye and say do mato leso a ye be deport omo and Donald Trump and Yabre. He has made it a point so we be overstay in America piano. Who person in America as a permanent resident and share hold me this and share so. Na create ye kwa ye hu ne ho ano. Ni nyam sa ba be ke ho. Na bia me kam umi su fa ne manya amanyosem. Ni ye hwe ye mpanifo ne mu ka no kran fa nkyere omo. Ye ntimi ntino me mane nkonkon se bu ko dwone amanyosem nko a na npakra bra bo betimi esi ne ye. Ye nyina betimi aye MPP ne NDC da bi. Mosi ye nyina so timidi ye. Osi ye nyina abrabọ no so putuo etimi bembo. Etimi ka che se ampansa kra ba ya brabom. Na ka efe America 4,444 no omu ya dodo na abekọ tinimdie na ya spendi ewo mo no o de kwa akọbọ wo kro. Eni enwamro mo pesom di nimdie beba. Eni da so anyway. Ghana maburu hunu daache ne ye. Daache no ihu ne ye. And now pay USMA data bra be breno. A big program year 2025 years you ko che be 2026 because Ghana fo a epe sadia kwa America o ko ye dan o ko awon babiem. Na ore wo sem so ye se emaburu na ahode wo mumu ne. Yo munye school mu nimde betim de akekere oman no. Omle epiem ahode ne nyina de akogwa brochi no ko retirement no waba oba be ye dan. Sabre se mi fa so be biem na wo so mo oman no. Sabre akosinsia ahode no. Akosinsia de boom akotena America. Benefisia besa duasa num ekoye adwuma somo bi man amane man ne tompon na makoma ho megiem na maye mre no na meba memem meba be ye den. Let's find a way to keep our youth. Mr. President, let's find a way to keep our teeming youth in this country. Yemo musa padachi mi wo baby a ye build dia mo. That's the reason tie America ni tuwa mo na sum twono. To timi kun hu maga America. No timi shi okacho say America is great. Because that's ni clear. No shi Ghana ni akoda wa wies kunu bisa so that say ah. No ni nyame di besi bia ye. E de nyame di mi besi biara. Ma peneso. Se sa na epe ho a yenya ne saa ye bedanya ne no na o ma na enkokora man be se die ntia ma wiase ama mpen focus o man Ghana wo daache ne yese emabunu ne dos. But how are we utilizing the strength of the youth today for the development of our country? Me dey akwesiensia Asem Yi Di Ka ni